Hello everyone. Wait. Yeah. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the stream. And we are here to continue that keying series what we started. So Noman and me is here. So
Hello guys.
yeah, Noman. I think your voice is little more louder. Wait, I will check what is happening. Yeah, can you speak closer to the mic?
Hello.
Yeah, fine. Okay, cool. Wait, your face. Yeah, like this. Wait, guys, let me set up something. Yeah, that's cool. All right, guys. So how you guys are all doing? So I can see already in the chat people are talking something. Yeah, one of the guys saying where I can find a IBK color master. You can check the previous stream where I put the link in the video description. You can download from there. Good morning. Hello. Okay. So
Hello.
yeah,
Nitin.
who's there?
Acha, Aniket.
Yeah,
Name.
Aniket Kashyap. Yeah. Hope you guys are doing well. And in my first stream, I think everyone like it. So we'll continue. And this one, we're going to do a Despill process. What is the Despill and why we're doing Despill and what are the ways to do the Despill in Nuke. So Noman is connected to my system also. So we will controlling both in my system. So we will share the techniques from his side and I will share technique from my side. All right. So I'm watching this side because I have a second monitor where I can see the chats and everything, and in my front I have my main monitor. Okay, so can we switch, Noman?
Yes, sure.
I will first switch this stream chat. Yeah, so in this one you can see we have this shot again, and let me just show you. So this is the last time we left. We did this. Let me do the full screen. Yeah. And we switch this view to stream. So our camera is properly placing in the bottom. All right. So we did only the alpha creation. So let me just quickly summarize what we did, and I did some refinement in the script also. So let me do the full screen just to show you. So in the last time we don't have that pre-com what you call denoise plate. So in this one, I did the denoise plate and we have this original plate here in this side. And just like in the previous stream, we created some channel. So here the same denoise plate and the plate. And here what I am doing, I'm just copying this plate into this my main B pipe. Because this denoise plate is our main main B pipe plate. Like this, okay, for FG. Okay, this is for FG, this is obviously the BG. So simply I'm creating channel here and just using the copy node. I'm just copying the plate channel. I'm removing the alpha. I'm just copying the plate. That's it. So this is the small setup. And just like last time, we have some rotos. So I basically animate those rotos. You can see just to save our time, because I don't want to waste time doing roto in live stream. Okay, that is the whole point. I want to show you the actual process. Roto you can do. It's not a thing that I can teach you. Everyone can do roto. All right. So I did the roto separately. You can see the keyframes and all those things for these hairs. And I think some rotos here also for the core key. So last time we did this key chew, this master key chew to erode everything inside. And then we did a separate key chew for this head, right? Because this thing is very solid, but this is not the solid edge, right? So that's why we have to do a separate for this and for this. Okay, let me turn on that tool so you guys can see my cursor and zoom in and all those things. Yeah, this one. Okay, so I can zoom in like this and I can do stuff like this. All right, and I can use this and I can draw. So it's help to explain what I want to explain exactly. Okay, so and here I need to do the pre-com, but I just place it this or because I didn't get the time to do the pre-com. But make sure you add after you creating your clean plate like this.
Yes.
And do this pre-com, and then you can put it here. And let me just quickly show you. So if you guys remember, this plate have this lighting interaction. If I play, you can see what this plate actually have. All right. So they added some light flickering like this. So it's basically recreating gun firing. So when you fire gun, you get that muzzle flash basically, right? So speaking about muzzle flash, I have a video about explaining muzzle flash, so you guys can watch if you want to. So Suhail Pal, what he's saying, how much CG work does a compositor need to do in production house? Both of you are professionals. Noman, you can
CG work
yeah.
like I didn't understand
What
like
he's saying, just read that. What he's saying. See,
how much
I
CG
want to
work.
know your what. I want to know your opinion. You can answer this question.
Actually, I don't know. Like CG work, you mean like fully 3D, like CG
Yeah.
generalist,
See,
or we have to do like
compare. So he basically is
as a
saying how.
comper? No,
Yeah,
as a comper.
he's saying how much CG work does a composer need to do in production house. Okay, so basically is based on projects. Okay, if the project have a CG work, then we have to do. If the project doesn't have, then obviously we don't need to do any CG, right? And
Hmm.
if the shot is required CG, then CG will come. Otherwise, we have to use DMP and all those things, 2D
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 stuff.
stuff like this. Okay, CG is very expensive, so you have to render, and if you get correction, you have to render again. So it will take time and money also. So every as I know, most of the small studio they use DMP patches, to add in the background stuff. If it's really close, if it's have a parallax and all those things, then they will go to CG most of the time. But the big studio they always use CG, but they also use DMP also. It's not like that we're not using DMP. DMP we are using very far away, like you have a very far away mountain. That time we are using DMP stuff
Hmm.
like that. So it's totally based on project by project, and also the studio is bigger or smaller. What their pipeline? What is their pipeline is? You know, if in their pipeline like I will tell you like this. In the MPC, they have a proper pipeline for CG. Every project they have, like, if their CG is required, then they will render CG. If something is very simple thing, then they will do the DMP patch, and that DMP patch also coming from CG, right?
Single frame.
Yeah, single frame,
Like
single
single
frame.
frame or
Yeah,
like big HDRI, like
yeah,
64K,
single
something like
frame,
that.
and then we need to project that thing on a proxy geo in
Hmm.
Nuke. So we get parallax also, and we don't have to jump into 3D. That's the process.
He is also asking like CG compositing.
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. CG compositing also is based on like project by project. I
Hmm.
know. See
I think
CG. Yeah.
he is asking like what we need to do like in comp for CG. So like basically we need to match our CG with real footage, like all the thing is like required black
Mhm.
point, white point, depth hazing,
Yep.
defocus,
Yep.
everything we have to match with the plate. Plate is our main reference. So we have to
Correct.
match with plate.
Yep.
And as a compositor, we need to like we have to knowledge like lighting.
Yep.
Hmm.
Correct.
Hmm. Like how light works. So it will really help in compositing.
Yep. Exactly.
Hmm.
So like this shot, you can see in this one, we will going to add some background here, and that background is not fully CG. It's like a DMP patch because it's very far away. We are putting this thing. So Noman is working on it. So once we in the next stream, we will jump to the background stuff and additive. That time we will do that. Okay.
Like we will create a background in CG like single frame, and then we will do like animation inside comp, like some techniques
Yeah.
like that
Cool.
we will do
Yeah.
in
Yeah.
this shot. Hmm.
All right. I think that is enough for now. Let's continue on that. Okay, Sahil, informative stream. Good job. Yeah. Thank you, man. All right. So let's jump into the Despill. Then we will continue talking while we are working. All right. So the Despill. Why we are doing Despill first of all? So we need to remove this blue color. All right. To
Green.
yeah. Sorry. Yeah. So blue. Why I'm saying blue, because recently I was working on a blue screen a lot. That's why I said blue. Okay. Sorry. All right, so we need to remove this green color. Why? Because when you do pre-mult, let's do the pre-mult and you will see. You can see I did the pre-mult, and everywhere in the edges you can see the green spill, what we call,
Oh,
in
Mitra,
the
I'm coming.
face and in the edges also, right? So we need to remove it to match the surrounding color what you have here in this edge, in his hair, and in this side also, everywhere basically. All right, so we need to do that. Let me check what happened to Norman. Okay, he will come. Yeah, no issues. So we need to despill, we need to basically remove this green screen. So despill basically we need to neutralize this color, we need to make it gray. So that is the whole point of doing this. So we have one more question, like how different is from the comfort perspective to handle a full CG shots and CG integration shots. Okay, Norman will give you the answer. I need to he will explain you first, then I will do that. Okay, so let's quickly focus on the despill process. So we need to make it neutral gray. Okay, and it will not, and we need to also take care of the skin tone. We can see on her skin, we see that blue green spill is there, right here and here, very strongly, especially on the hair side, like this. So let's first talk about the despill thing, just like we did the soft key and the core key here. The same way we need to do a separate despill for the edge and the core. Yes, there are many tools in Nuke. We don't need any gizmos. So I will explain you with gizmos and without gizmos. So that's why I'm doing a stream, so I can get a question from you guys and I will answer live. Okay, and I will demonstrate also. So the edge despill and the core despill, just like here we did the soft key for edge and the core key for the inside part. Same thing we have to do it here. All right, here I don't know what is this. I think this is we will see. We need to remove or we need to keep this blue thing. Let's see. Maybe probably we do a despill on this side only. Let's see. So for this one, let's first see what we can do internally without a gizmo. So in Nuke we don't have a such node called despill. All right, that is the main thing. We don't have such node, as I remember. I don't know if anyone know the native node in Nuke that do that is name called despill. Please let me know in the chat.
Hello.
Yeah, no, yeah,
Yeah, sorry.
yeah, that's fine. Wait, can you turn on your camera?
5 minutes.
Yeah, cool.
Mhm.
So meanwhile, you can check that Suhel is asking something. Can you answer him if you are there? All right. So in Nuke, let's connect one dot and we will start the despill process. Let's first do the edge despill. So obviously we need to focus on the edges only. Here you don't need to worry about the core, what is happening inside. When we do core, that time we need to take care of the skin color also, right? So let me connect this one. So the first tool I will show you is very simple in Nuke native key light, right? Everyone knows the key light. So key light is very simple. It can do despill and it can be used to do a soft matte very nicely. So for this shot I will do a despill, so I can use this one like here, and I can just let me zoom in like this, and like, yeah. So in the screen color I will do green 1. So if I do this, you can see this is getting the green color is gone. All right, and obviously you can see the core, this thing is messed up, the skin color also is messed up, right? You need to maintain the skin color. That is the most important thing if your plate have a character, to retain the skin color. All right, so this is the one of the process. You can just do a despill, and you're not there because we need to see the luminance value. So if I show you here, you can see this luminance value of this green screen is 0.27. okay, let's assume that. And when we do this thing, key light, the value is getting 0.17. so the luminance is reduced. We need to maintain the luminance. All right. So yes, with the UCarray we can. Yeah. What is asking? Can we despill without? Yeah. The UCarray, I will come to that point also, Noman. So you can use keylight also like this, and we need to retain the luminance value. If I just go press a Y, so this is the actual luminance value of this plate, and when we do the despilling, the luminance value is getting down. So I think it's loading. I don't know. I'll let it load. Let me first save the comp. Yeah. So you can see it's getting darker, right? So we need to retain that. So for that, what you can do, we can take one merge node. Let's connect here and connect here, and you can use operation. You can use from operation also. You can use minus operation. I will use minus, and let me, I think, switch. Yeah. So minus and from, they both are the same operation. Only difference is the input need to switch. All right. So you can see in the minus it's not working, but if I switch the input, now it's working. So that means I need to retain this B here like this, and I need to retain this A here. If I do this, this is inverted, but it doesn't matter. But I want to keep my B pipe upside, this side, and so I will do like this, and I will switch this from. All right. So the minus from, the both are same, but only difference is the input is switch. That's it. And after this one, you can see only this color. We can see only the green color because we removed here, and we get this difference. So now you can see the spill color everywhere, right? Then we need to take saturation. We need to remove it. I think everyone know about this, what I'm doing here. So remove the saturation, and then we need to add this back. So let's do the plus here, not the screen, plus. So now if I compare from here to here, and let me just sample this thing. Hopefully you can see here. Let me zoom in, and I will do AB. You can see the luminance is exactly the same. All right, I'm switching. Okay, 1 2. So exactly the same luminance. So we need to retain the luminance, and this is not the rule. You need to retain the luminance on every single plate. It's totally based on the background, what background you are putting here. All right. If you have a night background, and if your plate shoot it like this in the proper lighting condition, then obviously you need a darker edge. All right. So for that, you don't need to do this. You need to do a despill. I need to reduce the edge darkness also. All right. Otherwise, you will get white edges. So make sure you first check what you need to do. What is the background you need to put in the back side. So that is the important thing. So the same thing, I will copy paste this setup, and I will put it here. All right, you can use this one, and for this one I will use this ucorrect. So you can use this ucorrect also. Let me connect. Let's view like this. So ucorrect is very useful. You can do many things here. You can change the saturation per color here. You can see we can change the luminance on every color, and the same thing, red, green, blue, and this is the suppression, and this is the saturation. So for this, let me quickly just, if you hover over, you can see this line is changing, right? So it's basically telling your sample color. So this is the yellow. See, the indicator is coming here, right? We sample here. So this is the green indicator coming here. So I can go to the green basically, and let me zoom in. You can press Alt and middle mouse click and drag. You can zoom in, and then you can press Control. Yeah. Noman, your camera, you need to, I think, move it up a bit. Yeah. I think that is good. Yeah, you can align your camera. Yeah. All right. So you can add a point here. You press Control and Alt and click. So you can press a point, and you can see now I'm doing a despill like this. And you can because we have this handles here. If I zoom in, you can see the spill color is still here, right? So for that, you can use those handle. You can make a smooth transition, and you can remove this extra color like this. Yeah. So now it's gone, I guess. So let me just see how much you did. Yeah, like this. And same thing we have to do here. We want to do the from this hat and plus this one. So this is like the core one. All right. And let me just compare. So this is this and this is this. I don't know, you can see if I zoom in the skin, you can see this edge one, the color is changing the skin. Okay. But if I switch to this, you correct. No man, your sound is not coming.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, I thought you intentionally muted. I don't know.
No.
Yeah, okay.
I was saying in shadow area we can see that the green we are losing.
Yeah. So I'm see in the edge one, skin color change. In the core one, you can see the skin color is here, but we can see the green is still here. Okay, we will remove, but we can see how much difference you get in the hair also. See, right? So let me remove it a little bit more. So if I zoom in here and zoom in the graph also. Yeah,
I think that's fine.
Yeah. So you can do like this. This is like without using any Ismo and anything. So in this one, you can see this color also changing in the edge one. If you only use one Despill to Despill everything, this is very hard and it's not very flexible to do, because sometimes we need to only adjust the edge Despill, and sometimes you only need to adjust core in certain areas. So that's why if you do a separate one, that is very helpful. Okay, so people are saying Suhail Pal is talking. Have questions? I don't know. Are there some specific new gizmo used for production which are not published release? Which one is he talking? Like Beta Effect has AD volumetric for Nuke, VDB scatter tool for Nuke. Sony has created a various gizmo. See, it's based on the studio if they want to publish or not. If they publish publicly, then everyone can use, right? But some tools they will not gonna share, and we will also don't we also don't know their name also. Okay, so whatever the name you are saying, these tools might be in publicly available to download to everyone, I guess. So see that. So here color changing, here we are retaining that color, and it totally depend on how much we need to remove this color, because as I said, this spill is coming here. We can see that this is not a proper yellow color, right, Noman? We can still see. So if you want, we can remove, but I think for this it's fine, right, Noman? See,
this is fine.
Yeah, this one. And once we do that, if you guys know, we created this template. Okay, so I don't want to explain everything again, where is going where. So let me just zoom in. So once you create these two setup, edge and core, then we need to mix them together. So in one image we get only edge here, and in second image we get the core, because now they are separate, right? So for that we need to do a key mix. So while not particularly in keying, but in general in Nuke, while you are working now, key mix is your best friend after the blur and roto. Right, Noman?
Yes.
Blur and roto. Okay, and the key mix I think is one of the best node in Nuke. I really like doing key mix. Okay, it's very good. So we need to blend these two images to make a one single image. So key mix is simple. Let me just take one empty one. Why this exists here? Because in the first team we created this template. That's why this tool is here. And in the first team I also mentioned why we are doing this with template, because in production you will get a template for every sequence, for every project. So you need to have a habit to working in a template workflow. Yeah, Roman, you can continue.
Like, because we have to, like, sometime we have to pass this template to other artists. Like in one shot, like 2-3 artists are working simultaneously. That's why we need a good template.
Yeah. So template habit is really good. You can learn how they created and you can make your own. So if you are working in a small team or a bigger team, so this thing really helps. So once everyone knows the template, so they can pick each other shot and they can work easily because they know what to do. All right, in the template. That's the biggest advantage. Okay, so the key mix, like we have mixing two images with the mask input. All right, and how many channels we need, you can select here, and the mix and bounding blocks and all those things. Okay, this is not the same as using a merge node, adding this A, B, and using this roto, this mask input here. Okay, this is not the same thing. If you want to know more about this, I will put the link down below, where Tony Lyons explained this very nicely and very quickly in his keying series. So definitely make sure go and watch. I will put the link. So this thing is very nice. So use key mix, merge this, and we need a mask for our alpha. So we already have that here. We created this alpha, right? So we will use this one in our advantage. So here is nothing is mixing. Only thing you can see the edges because it's a B pipe, right? So in the A, we will add a mask, this our final alpha, like this. And if you view here, so now if I add one grade, you get my point. So let me add one grade just to show you the point. So if I'm viewing here, and if I do the grading now, you can see it's only affecting the core area. So with the alpha, with the mask input, I'm combining these two key mix. I'm basically combining two images in one with the mask input. So now we have a separate control for edge display here, and we have separate control for this core display here. So we don't need to use this thing here. Let me just remove. All right, like this. So we are combining it, and you can see the turn on and off. We are retaining the color. I can still see some color is here, but you get the idea. Okay. So now let's do the same thing with the gizmo. We disable this thing. And one of my favorite gizmo I'm using is this AP Despill. AP, yeah, this one. So this AP Despill is I really like it from very long time. So if you have this Nuke survival toolkit, then you have all these tools what I'm using here. So this is like a gizmo, all right. So you can connect here directly and it will do your job done. But this is the default one, like, okay. You can pick your color. I will pick my color. Let's see how much it will reduce. Yeah, so this is for edge. Let me take another one just to show you. If I connect this one, so this is the default. See the default one. We are only focusing on the edge, so don't worry about the core one. So I can see it's getting very weird color, magenta. So let's focus on the edges. You can see here it's getting this color. You okay now?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, cool. So Noman, I use Despill. Which one you use? What is your favorite Despill tool? You can explain or you can share here.
So AP Despill is also my favorite one. And other tool like for hard edge like these edges, I have like one tool.
I think I have. You can search.
You have already?
I don't know. You can search. Maybe I have.
Extruder, yes. So this is my one of my favorite tool for like edge refinement for Despill, you can say. So in this tool, what we have to do? We have to connect direct here, and we have to. I'm just showing.
Yeah. You can just roughly. You don't need to manage the.
We have to copy the alpha here for this tool. I think I'm not able to control.
Yeah, wait. It's I think it's lagging a bit. I don't know.
Okay. So I copy over alpha here and Despill pipe, and then like this is the can you zoom it? Slide.
Yeah, you can zoom it. Yeah, you can press F2.
Yeah. So see extruder. So if we increase this now.
Oh yeah, this is a really nice technique, I guess. Yeah.
It will extend over texture properly, but we can't use in here. It will
messed up everything.
Yeah, messed up. So for like hard edges, now we can use this.
Yep, correct. Nice.
This extruder, it's a very nice tool.
So this is basically like edge extending, right? But
Yeah.
but it's doing it's like stretching the picture. It's not blurring and doing like
No,
the
yes,
default
not.
edge extend doing. This is not
And you can
yeah.
increase this erode also, like
Mm-hmm.
viewing from final output. So you can.
Yeah, just you can add that in the key mix. Yeah.
Mhm. So I'm just doing like this.
Yeah. So this is for edge, right? For soft edge Despill, right?
Hmm.
Cool.
And again we are copying our alpha, so you don't have to worry about any like this
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah. Issue. Yeah. Correct.
Hmm.
Yeah.
See, so if I just turn off, okay, we have to check from here.
Yeah.
So we'll get to know.
Yeah.
See, it green edges.
Yeah. Correct.
Hmm.
And check the yeah seat. Yeah. Yeah. Here also. Yeah.
Hmm. But like it will not work on soft matte.
Yeah. This is
Like
soft. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
because our alpha is slightly broken here, na?
Yeah. Correct.
So
Correct. Yeah.
it will not work on soft matte like this area. It will like messed up very badly.
I don't know why it's lagging. Wait. Yeah. It's lagging. I don't know.
See here, it's messed up here totally.
Mm.
But like for this kind of hard edge, na, it's very useful. This node I have downloaded from Nukipedia, but I think that name is different.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know.
Mm.
Yeah. You can see. You can zoom in. You can show the who made this. F2. F2.
Okay.
Yeah. So you guys can see. I think this is available in Wikipedia. I don't remember actually.
Actually, the name is different.
Yeah,
but,
yeah.
We can share it here, na?
Yeah. I will share the link, or if you have the link, you can share in the chat also. If this was, yeah, someone is asking about your chair.
Sir, where did you got your gaming chair? Actually, I got in gift like in my birthday. Someone gave me.
Share the link so he can check that chair. Cool. Yeah, this is a really nice way of doing, very quick edge Despill.
For hard edges.
Yeah, and for this, just like we are doing. Yeah, can I control? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So let me just undo. Okay. So this is what he is showing. So I'm just connecting here again. I just want to show you one point. So just like we do a key mix in particular areas, you need to do the same thing with this node also. It's not like you can use this and do everywhere. Okay, just like he's saying, only use this area for this part. So we need to do a key mix only for this part. So like you can put it here. You can use key mix. So this is our final key mix. Okay, here we are merging edge and core Despill. But in the edge, we can do multiple key mix. We can do a separate Despill for this, separate edge Despill for this, and for this part. Okay, so you have to break like this, then it will give you a proper result. Not like do one edge Despill and you are done. Okay, because different areas have a different color. Let me disable this one. So do like this and take a key mix. So in this case, I will put this part in a side. So this will be the A and this will be my B. And I will use one roto just to show you the point. Connect this mask. So this is working nicely here. So I'm just quickly draw a roto. So while you are doing a keying, you have to do a roto, the garbage roto, what I'm doing here, just like this. All right. So this thing have a mask input. You can see many gizmos have a mask input, but is preferable to do a key mix. It's a better way. Okay, so everyone can understand. Yeah, you are doing key mix, so we have separate pipe, so we can do more stuff here like this. Okay, and we are not affecting our B pipe. So that is the whole point. Anytime you get a chance to make a separate branch, do it. It will help to it will give more flexibility to change stuff in this site. You can do a transfer or do whatever. If you I think you got my point. Okay. So like this, and then we do our final Despill, and after this one we get this edge like this. Okay, so we are doing a Despill only for this area. That's it. And just add a blur. As I said, blur and rotos together. Otherwise, you get some hard edges. So like this, you can do. But for this one, I think it's not required. I just want to show you the point. You can use some tool like this to do a Despill. So you can use this AP Despill. So I use it here, and here are many settings here. So I will do the edge Despill. So I will focus on the edges first, and you can see the color is messed up a bit. So we will refine the edge one. For that, you can use this offset and this limiter.
Limit, yeah.
Let's use this one and see how much. I'm only focusing on the edge one. I'm not focusing on the core side. So I will zoom in here and see how much you can do. I think this feels okay. Let's see. So this edge Despill is totally based on your background also. Okay, what background you're putting, what background color you have. So for now, I will keep it like this. And for the core, I will use this correct. Is the best. So you can use like this. You can use. You can also use this one, or you can use Despill Madness, Despill to color. There are many tools, but I don't have that Despill Madness and Despill to color.
I think I have Despill to color because
I think I have that. Yeah, because I have that Nuke toolkit, right?
Yes.
Despill to color. Despill. Yeah, you can show Norman if you want, because I rarely use this tool, honestly.
Actually, so many times I have used this tool.
Yeah.
So it's a very nice tool for.
You can just explain the concept. So.
So in this now we have two this color. One is screen color, second is target color. So screen color is over this chroma color, and target is which color we want to put here. Like,
yeah,
in which color we have to change. So I will, for here I will pick this color. I will pick green here, and for hair I will pick.
Yeah, you can pick the hair color also. Yeah.
This here. This
yeah.
Here.
Yeah. Fine.
So see.
I think this is really good for the hair. It's really good. Yeah.
So like as a side already mentioned, we have to do key mix here.
Yep. Correct.
For this hair, for only hair part, because see in this carpet or
this edge we need a white, right? Just like you did the extrude one. So that will work very good here. Yeah.
For this area we have to like change this green color to this color.
Yeah.
That's why we have to do key mix for hair, this and this separate area.
Yeah. Correct.
So like Despill to color is very helpful for edge blending and all. I also use a lot of time I have used this tool, and also you can change that gain here. We have a gain, so we can increase and decrease it.
Yeah, so the gain is very helpful, as I said, based on your BG. If your BG is dark, you need to make your edge Despill darker. Otherwise, you will see the white edge. Okay.
Despill is like totally depend on BG luminance.
Yeah, the edge Despill. Also the core also, it's not like that. But the basic idea is we need to remove the green color and the blue color from the plate. Okay, and the spill, the what we call, there is another word, cast something, I don't know, screen cast or something, I don't know, screen spill. There are many names. Okay, so basically you need to remove that, and then we can, after this doing Despill, we can change the color. You can do grading to match with the background, whatever. But the edge Despill is must have. We need to match with the whatever the background we have based on the luminance. But the color need to match closer to the edge color.
Edge color, yes, correct. Guns asking, sorry guys, when did I spot the extruder node? If so, where can I download it? So we will share in
we can share. Noman, if you have the browser open, you can share the link in the chat.
Okay.
Okay.
Actually, I don't have a link, but I can share like in Notepad or something.
You can, if you share the Nukepedia link, that will be good. So I know everyone knows Nukepedia, but I just want to promote the Nukepedia because it's very good free resource for Nuke.
For now, I am like pasting in our Discord server VFX Showdown.
Yeah, if anyone want to go, you can join my server, you can take it from there.
Mm.
No, I didn't localize. I rarely do that. This localization we're talking right here. We have, where is that? Yeah, this one, right? I rarely do that. I never do this localization. In production also, we never do that. I don't know. Okay, so for the Despill, I'm using the same setup. I already prepared the Despill. I will quickly show you. In the other pump, I actually use this. I will show you what I use. So let me quickly delete all these things, and while Noman is doing, I will quickly show you. So this is my Despill setup for the edge one, and you can do like this. So it's not like you have to use one tool at a time. So you can combine. Basically, see in this one, I'm completely removing this one, and you can merge like this, and you have this white here and chair here. And if I disable this thing, yeah, like this. Here, see, this is a matte issue. That's why you can see color here, because our core need a work here, right, Noman?
Yes.
So what I'm doing here, I'm using my AP Despill. I will quickly show you. So this AP Despill, and here I'm doing nothing. I'm just selecting this color. That's it, and it's giving me this result. Okay, and I think I changed this color also. I don't know, but you can see this thing is default. There is no change here. Okay, and the spill color also, there is no change. It's the same default one. Then I do this, and then I do this. So this is the same setup. In my other pump, I'm using this one also, but I think I have a different curve. So let's see what we did. Yeah, see, this is one, and this is now. So in this one, I think we did a good job, because we retained this color here. You can see now this color is matching to this, right, Oman? So it helps.
I'm not.
Yeah. So this is matching this. Did I'm sharing the screen also, Noman? No, in the Discord.
No.
Yeah, because I don't know, it's lagging a bit. I don't know what is happening. Fine. So it's the same thing here. I'm doing this gray color, but in the hair, we can see the spill colors, right? So we need to remove it completely. So that's why I'm doing this separate one. So I think I don't need to use this one. I did a better in this one. So this is your Despill is done, and let me do that pre-com, pre-mult, and do this. And this additive, we did it in the beginning, so let me keep it on. And now we have this result. We will fix. I can fix this one. Let me just check where that happened. Yeah, in the soft mat we have this issue. So let me just see the clean plate. Expose up. So I'm just checking the problem so we can solve. See, this thing is left, so we need to remove that. I don't know why this line is coming. Let's check here. Yeah, it's good. We need to fill that, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, because we are using the same thing here. All right, to do the key chew, right? Yeah, here. That is okay. Let me just check this. Yeah, I think we need a bit more core here. We need to remove that. So here, yeah, like this. So yeah, I need to do a separate one, but for now let me just quickly do this. Yeah, so we can get a better. Yeah, so it should look like this. Okay, let it put it for now, and let's beware. I will explain the grain, okay, because I learned something new when using a DAS grain. I will explain this one in the end. So that's why I just put it this one, just adding a plate and this one, and just doing a simple analyzing. That's it. But I will explain the actual process, the 2-3 methods of doing a grain. Okay, it's totally based on a plate, but I will explain. It's very important. So now we have this BG, and the Despill actually is done. There is one more technique. Yeah, Noman, you are saying something?
No, nothing.
Yeah, there is one more technique which I share in my King series, which I did I think last year, I guess. So in that one, we are basically extruding this edge color. Yeah, no, Noman, do you remember that technique where
Yes, yes,
extruding?
using this na
Yeah,
key
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 light.
light and blur and
Yeah, yeah, and pre-mult. So we
Mhm.
are extending this color and we can add that here. So do you
Hmm.
remember?
Actually, I don't remember, but I
Yeah,
have saved that setup.
yeah. Can you replicate here?
Yes, yes, 2
Yeah,
minutes.
because that setup now, as I said, now there are many techniques, but not every technique is useful in every shot. Okay, it's totally depend on the plate. Totally depend on the plate. All right. So yeah, I think in this plate it will work nicely because in this one we have this one edge, this second edge, and this third edge. That's it.
Can you check
Okay.
Discord once? I have.
Uh, in the Discord you share.
Mhm.
Yeah, I think I can download. Okay. Let me quickly check. Yeah, you send it Discord, right?
Mhm.
So this is the setup. Yeah. So I will
Yes.
put it here just to explain you. Let me just load everything. Okay, wait, Naman, I think your face is gone. Yeah, came.
Mhm.
Okay. So this is this small setup which I created and I think I shared with you, right, Noman?
Yes,
As
yes,
a
yes.
yeah,
Long time back.
yeah, I know. So this is very simple setup. Let me just connect this one first. We need to connect this here split and this IBK. Let's first see this one. So this is very simple one. We are doing a key light and Despill. Basically we are doing a Despill. So here I think it's put it yeah, some color. So I will
Just change it now with
yeah,
our
yeah,
red.
yeah. I think we need to make it one, right? I don't
No,
know.
no, no. Just
We
pick
need
the
to
color.
yeah. So we did like this and we have this alpha. Don't worry about the alpha.
Hmm.
So exactly same thing is connected to the constant also.
Hmm.
This actual this color screen color is link here. But okay with the expression and then we are doing that from operation here just like I show you the luminance thing, right? So we are
Hmm.
doing here and we are doing a saturation reduction. Same thing we are doing saturation reduction also here and then I have another constant where we can change the spill color. Just like here, if I show you the in this APD spill, I copy paste like this here, and we have this spill color here.
Hmm.
Okay,
Respill.
what is this? If I open and if I change the color, so we remove this green color by selecting here, right? Pick
Hmm.
color option. So the color what we want we can add in the uh, spill color. So I'm adding a blue. You can see it's getting blue. If I add warm, it will get warm. If I do this, it will add magenta. So just like that. So this is exactly same what we are doing there also. I don't know, it's lagging. I don't know. Okay, so this is the content. So for now, I'm just using this and we have switch. This is just to show you the point. This is for the visualization purpose. And we are doing a desaturation while selecting this one. And here we are doing a divide and multiply mode. So we are dividing this color with this desaturated green color. So we get this, right? Because there is no color here. So we get this color, little bit brightness. And then we will multiply on this one like this. And I think there is some grade here and like this. All right. Instead of doing this, what we are doing, we are using this IBK one. Let me just connect this one. I think I need to connect it.
Pre-mult. Pre-mult.
Yeah, here, no, right here. Here,
No, no.
here.
Pre-mult. Pre-mult. Connect to
We are
pre-mult.
pre-multing here again. Yeah,
Okay.
pre-multing
Okay.
and then pre-mult. No, sorry. We have this. When you use IBK, na, IBK is automatically pre-multing your RGB.
Hmm.
Okay, it's not just giving you the alpha. If we view here and view here, if I view here, you see this is my RGB. There is no alpha. But if I view here, there is RGB and alpha. But we are only worry about the alpha, but it will also give you the RGB pre-multed result. So this is pre-multed RGB layer. So we are directly using that for creating a edge Despill. So we have here, I think I did one more pre-mult because I don't want this hair, because I want a color only. That's why I'm eroding, doing one more pre-mult, and then I'm doing a blur, so it will increase this color, and I'm doing a unpremult. So this is basically like edge extending. Okay, this is exactly what happened with the normal basic edge extend tool, and then we are doing a slightly more blur. So main blur is this one. This sandwich is important: premult, blur, unpremult. All right. And let me just, we have this switcher, so we can switch this. Let me just stuck, I don't know. Yeah, so we are using this input, doing this, and we are adding on top. All right. And I think, yeah, no man, I think we need to set this as 1. Let me just see. If I do this, what will happen? Yes, you can see it's only affecting the edges. See this. All right. So you can use this setup and you can apply here. Okay, or you can refine this bit more. Like you can change this screen color. The bias, I guess, with 0.5. Yeah. See, I think this is 0.4. I don't know by default, but it should be 0.5. If I take a new key light, you can see they all 0.5. So I don't know. That's why I'm saying why this is going completely magenta. That's fine. So you can change, and if I put 1, you get this color. And while doing this blurring and all those things, when we do plus here in the edge, you can see this color, right? This color here and here also. Here already is looking same, right? That's why we don't need to worry about here also. And I don't know, yeah, the chair is black here, so that's why. So it's black, so that's why it's not coming much. But this is the basic idea. This is I well explained in my that tutorial series. Sir, I installed it the Nuke today. Where should I start? Check my playlist. I have a playlist where you can see everything. Aniket, Despill setup currently used in my useful setup. Yeah, good. So this is another way. This will work sometime, but it's not like it will work on every shot. So this is totally shot by shot. But for this shot, we will make it very simple. We will do this and do this and just merge and do pre-mult, and that's it. So this is the basic setup. So this is, now I'm just playing with the checkerboard. Don't worry about these edges and all those things. We will recover all the remaining hair because I just added this additive, simple one. Okay. We also need to take care about this thing also. Let me just try. Can I try? Yeah, when we add background, then that time we will try. So let's zoom in and see this edge. So this edge and this actual plate. Yeah, you can see it's very nicely done. See this. This is the edge pixel, right? And you can see this color, the green, is transitioning into a green. Okay, and now it's transitioning into this checkerboard color, and we have very nice edge color here. Okay, so this is exactly what we need. And in the hair also, this is not a good example, the checkerboard with hair, but we will eventually have a good background. So that time you guys can understand the hair part. Okay, and this chair part also. Yeah, see, I think as I said now, this need a hard core. So I need to do a separate
Kichu thing.
Yeah, Kichu. For this we need to retain this. Okay, if I retain this fully, see, I'm just turn it off, this Kichu. Let's see here. Yeah, now see, it's very strong, but on this one, yeah, it's soft, right? So we have to do a separate for this one. There is no issue. I will do it. I just need to use this again and with the mask. So this is the Despill what we did here. Okay, let me just, yeah. So is anyone talking anything about, if any questions, guys? If you have any questions, you can ask. What should I start learning first?
So Moon is
uh yeah, Babul Paul is asking, what should I start learning first in compositing, right? I think, yeah, he just installed it in she, I don't know he or she, but I will just say he. So installed the Nuke today, and where should I start? First of all, learn the concepts about compositing before jumping into directly Nuke and learning tools and all those things. Learn the
mm,
concepts about compositing, how we are recreating real life, what and how things behaving in real life. All those things are very important. Then learn about the concept of keying, because keying is very basic task in compositing, right? Very basic task.
most
So
of the time we have to do that.
yeah, so it's very basic task, and in every small studio and bigger studio have a keying shot.
Hmm.
Okay, so you can start from learning there. First learn the concept about compositing, what is compositing, and learn about light, camera, all those things you need to learn first. How camera things are behaving, all those stuff. So is there anyone have any questions? We will continue this on the next stream where Noman will have a BG for us.
Kryptonian is asking like some people use shuffle for Despill. Is that correct method?
Where is that comment? What he's saying?
Despill
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
shuffle.
Despill setup currently. No. I think I don't. I'm not seeing that comment. Yeah. What he's saying? Can you repeat?
Some people use shuffle for
Hmm.
Despill. Is
Hmm.
that correct method?
So they might use this method. I will show you. They will do like this and RGB. Okay. So they will use channel to do a Despill, or you can use channel to make alpha also sometimes. So you can use whatever you want. If there is no restriction like you can't do this or this. Okay,
Hmm.
so we can use like red into here, right? And we can use this as a mask or whatever. Okay, the basic idea is we need to remove this color to something like this gray color or whatever, or this skin color. So there is no such rule. Okay, there are many ways to to replicate this, replicate this spill or any other technique. Yes, you are working. Is there anything, Norman, you want to share
Not
about
now.
this spill or anything?
No, not now.
Guys, I forgot to show you something. See, I have a t-shirt, and this is the t-shirt with the color checkerboard.
Mm.
So I recently purchased this. So I think it's not visible in the camera, but yeah, I have that. So if anyone know about this t-shirt, you can share in the chat. Yeah, how to match CC. Okay, let me quickly share. Noman, correct me if I'm wrong. Okay,
Mhm.
so match CC, take grade. Okay, take one more grade. Okay, and then do a black match. Okay, I will show you why these two grade. In the first one, if you are matching some reference, match your white point and black point. All right. Yeah, I think 2 grade is fine, but if you are have a CG, then you can use only the this one, and in the second node you have a black match node. So why these two? You can also do, like, if I connect this one. Let's see, if I assume I'm doing a black match, color matching. So I can use like this, and I can also use like this. So in one node I can do that, right? But the better way of doing is separating. So let me just undo this one. So I did white point first, and in the second one I will do black match, maybe like this. So now I have an opportunity to view here and disable this white point, and then I can only see the what I did in the black point. The same way I can do here also. I disable this black point and I can see what I did in the white point. So when you do these things, always make a flexible setup. So if I do in one, so I will do like this in one grid. So always do like this, and this is white. Yeah, this is white and this is black point. So in between you can add one more grid and you can do gain or gamma like this. If you have reference, you can match white point and black point, and you are almost there to match your CC with the reference. What is the different? What is the difference? Oh, I think I think you guys can't see. I have this setup. I think I need to do that. Okay. I hope you guys can saw that what I just saw. Share.
Telefilm, AG telefilm is
Hmm.
asking like what is the difference between edge blending and edge dispill?
Edge blending is like, see, when I merge here, my dispill is correct. Then as I said, based on a background, you need to blend your edges, the color and the intensity. That is the what I
So,
understand.
so like sometimes what happens, we did like correct dispill, right? But
Yep.
because of BG luminance, we are getting white edges, black edges, or hard edges. That
Yeah.
time we have to like
Adjust it.
adjust, like we have to like tweak our edges for background. So that is edge dispill.
And he just talk
I mean
about
edge blending.
edge blending. Yeah. He just talk about I have one tool. Yeah. No, if you no one remember edge blend. So I have this tool.
Yes, yes.
So this tool I created, and in my previous tutorial I also use this one, but I never share in this tool in public. We use this
Yeah.
a lot. Yeah, no one.
Yes, yes, yes. I use so many times.
Yeah. So we need to connect this one. I will quickly show you what this tool will do. So this is this pre-mult result and background, and let me
Pre-multed.
do the
Yes.
pre-mult, and I view it here.
On
For
and
this
off.
shot, it will not do much, but you can see how much it's doing. We have the darkness gone, right? Here also.
Yes.
So here also see this color is coming. We can see the dark, right? But it's gone. So it's based on the BG, and I think we did here also like additive. So that's why this color is coming. If I plug this above without additive, now you can see what is happening. So now if I disable, so this is just a sneak peek of my tool. That's it. So yeah, see, we get this now blending. Here also, for off this one, you can see this
dark edge.
In the darker area is looking good. That's why I put a checkerboard, so you can see the brightness difference, right? If you have a bright, if you have dark, this is looking good, but this is very bright and you can see the dark line. If I use my tool, gone. I mean, almost gone. We can still see little bit here, but
we can tweak inside that.
Yeah, I'm just showing the default values.
Default, yes.
So this tool is not organized yet. If you open, you can see many things are. It's not organized properly. So, but I'm using, and I'm lazy. I'm a bit lazy to organize this tool. So this much is happening. Yeah, we can see this eroding a bit. So that's why I said do a key mix. So me and Noman, I always use key mix like this and do a separate treatment for each areas. So I will explain this tool when we're doing that BG adding, and if it's required, then we will use. Otherwise, there is no need. Late integration and edge blending is the same or different?
Hello, Said.
Yes.
Yeah. Someone asking like, I am very confused with merge node. How can manage merge node?
Can you explain about the grade and collaboration on this? Was like, who's saying? Don't see the chat.
Manopriya Biswas. Merge node.
Can you repeat, or can you show if you can? If you understand the question?
I am very confused with merge node.
Hmm.
How can manage merge node? I think she's asking like A and B pipe.
Merge node is basically you are merging two images A over B, like background, foreground, like this. So if you don't know how to use this node, so it's basically like, let me just show you. So I have this checkerboard and I have this color, this roto. So this is my background, so I will put this one here, and whatever come in a, it will go on top of this one. So if I view, I have this roto, so I will draw this roto quickly. I will do RGBA, and I have this roto and this checkerboard. And if I view here, I will connect B to this one, and it will connect A to this one.
Hmm.
So this is a simple way of merging two images together. If
Hmm.
I switch this, if I make this roto B and this A, you can't see it because it's going behind, right?
Hmm.
She
We
has
have a
merge
solid alpha
operation.
for
Merge,
checkerboard.
what's she saying? Merge operation problem. It's a simple merge. What she has merge operation problem. Can you explain a bit what is the merge operation problem? I mean,
Like
you are
I
confused
think.
about those merge operations, what they are doing, and where to use. I think that is the
Hmm.
question, right?
That is the question.
Okay. So you actually don't need to know everything here. Okay. So I will tell you the most common merge node we are using. So this over mode, just like currently we are doing over, just overing one image on top of the another one. All right. Yeah, understand. And if you ever use Photoshop, many of the merge node is familiar for you.
Hmm.
Okay, if you ever use Photoshop or Adobe softwares,
Hmm.
so they are very similar, but some of the merge node is very special one. Okay, just like the hypod one, this divide, the multiply, the
Mult-
minus, and the,
Multiply we have
yeah,
inside Photoshop.
yeah, but
Hmm.
in use of Nuke and Composite is very special. And
Hmm.
this min and max.
Max,
So
yes.
this we will show in this series also. So I
Mat
will
also.
demonstrate. Yeah, yeah, and like matte, and what else we have? This stencil, right? And the mask. Okay, and what else we are using commonly? Not much. Sometimes average. All right, and the
Hmm.
difference. So let's quickly show you the difference. What difference what we are doing? So difference basically, like if I connect a blur like this. So now I have this image and this image. Okay, if I do a blur here, so what is the difference between this image and this image, right? So we will get here when we merging and set the mode to difference. So this is the difference. So this is blur, this is sharp, and we will get in between image the difference, the actual difference. So this will we will get. So there are many use of this one. You may think why we are doing difference. So there are many use when we're doing what you call that thing, Laplacian, right?
Hmm.
Frequency separation, I got the name. When we're doing that frequency separation, that time I also have a one video about a special merge mode in Nuke. If you anyone remember, in very past, sorry, I need to do that. Yeah, in very past I make one tutorial about special merge node in Nuke. So in there I explain some of the merge node here, just like this hypod and many other node. So if anyone want, you can check that. Just go into my video tab, and you can just scroll down, or I will put the link in the video description.
Already pasted in chat.
Yeah, thank you guys. Can you see the link where normally pasted? I think it's
It
not
will take
sure.
no, it will take some time, right? Because stream is delay, na? That's why.
Oh, maybe. Yeah. Okay, so additive here and the edge for alpha, edge for edge, uh,
Edge
edge
for
for,
alpha.
no, no,
Edge
no,
from
no.
alpha, I
Yeah,
think.
yeah. H for alpha gizmo. Please tell me, bro. Yeah. H from alpha. Okay, that is the name. Okay, let me. Okay, what he's saying. Yeah. Please tell me additive here. And yeah, we will cover that additive here in the next part. And the use of edge from alpha. What did hypo do? Yeah, you can watch that video. Noman, I think share. I explained there. The hypo basically you can use to target the darker color in your plate. Okay, sir, this live session you can share video on YouTube channel. Yeah, I will share after this live session end. You can watch that live stream again in my YouTube. There is no issue. Okay,
Hello,
bro.
Sai.
Yeah.
So basically, can you just go to that granite imagery YouTube channel?
Yeah. I think before coming to the stream, I just post that thing. Let me just quickly share. Guys, give me. Yeah, guys, wait. I will just share the thing I want to share. Yeah, give me some time. So, the granite imagery made some very special for us to do the practice. So I will just directly go to the YouTube and I will share that. Where is that granite imagery?
First.
Yeah.
First, yeah.
आज एक
So-
मेजर YFL स्टूडियो अपडेट है.
Most exciting and longest unboxing video of my channel.
It's
Okay. So I will share my screen again. Yeah. So guys, go and check this. Okay.
I think your screen is not
Visible.
visible in.
Yeah, it's visible. Yeah, it will.
Okay,
It will come.
okay.
It will come. So this is what this guy did recently, and I think you guys are sharing the files also, right, Noman?
Yes, on Patreon.
Yeah.
We will upload tomorrow for
Hmm.
like we will provide like CG passes, Blender file,
Hmm.
and deep for these all elements.
So you guys can get deep also, and I think it's very helpful for practice, and you can also put this in your showreel, right, Noman?
Mm-hmm. Yes. You can use for Sorrel also.
Yeah. So in this one, you can see the atmosphere, the car, and it's basically to do a practice of CG look dev. So
Yes.
someone is asking about CG compositing, all those things. So you can grab this asset and you can practice your CG compositing here.
And also use in Sorrel.
Yeah,
Mm,
you can also
yeah.
use in your showreel. There is no issue.
So basically, we will provide like all the data pass, all the beauty pass, all the multi-light and deep.
Yeah. So deep is very helpful in this one. You can add many things like atmosphere. You can add lights and you can do hold out and many things.
Hmm.
So you get separate layer, right, Noman? How many layers in this? We have this car.
Like, three layers we have.
Mhm.
Like one for car, one for BG, and one for this small asset like stairs and wheels and
Yeah. Got it. That's
Hmm.
nice. And can you yeah, this is a blender. Yeah, I just want to tell yeah,
Mhm.
this is a blender render, and this is the final comp what they did. So you guys can make a better from
Yes.
this render. Okay, this is not like this is the look dev and this is done. You can change the mood of the scene. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, so it's totally depend on your creativity.
Yes.
So I already share this in here in my post. You can go and watch that. I already
Yeah.
share that.
Mhm.
So please share the AGI blend and extrude gizmo. We will share the link in the chat. People are
we
seeing your chat. Wait. I just want to confirm is your chat is visible. I'm not seeing your link, Noman. I think.
Which one?
Yeah, you just share the link, right? I think it's not visible. I think because of you don't have access. I think yeah, something is. I will share again. Don't worry, guys. I will share the link again.
You can check also Discord server, na? I already share on Discord.
Yeah. Wait. I will just reshare the Discord server. Yeah.
It's not available. Link is not available for what?
Yeah. Reshare. Where you share in the general?
No. Like in for
Resource.
description, we will share later.
Yeah.
For now, we have shared on Discord server.
Hmm. Your camera is off, Noman. I think.
Wait. What happened? Now is it
Yeah.
visible?
Yeah, visible. Yeah. Okay, we will share that link again, guys. Don't worry. After this stream end, I will share all the links in the video description. Okay.
Hmm.
I just subscribed to your another channel. Another channel? Which channel you're talking?
Grenade time, I think.
Yeah, yeah, the grenade image. Okay, okay. This. Thank you for that. Okay. Link is not available. Yeah, I will share the link. Don't worry. So,
Can you wait? KRK Studio is asking, can you explain about grade and color correct all slides like gain, gamma, midtone, exactly how they work?
yeah, I will do that. But for now, I think this is not topic of today's stream. So, but I will definitely share in my upcoming stream all those things. Right? I know this is very important to share. I will do that. Definitely, I will do that. But give me some times. Okay. I will definitely
Bramji,
do
you
that.
can join our Discord server.
Yeah.
That Discord server link is in description, so you can join our Discord server and you can go to like resources. I have shared that notepad file for extruder.
Yeah. In the notepad, you just need to copy the code and directly paste into your
Nuke.
Nuke node graph somewhere
Hmm.
here.
And
That's it.
you can save it in toolkit.
Yeah. After pasting this one, you can go here. This tab, this range. You can connect. You can open this one and you can create while selecting node. Like if I'm just select this node and go to here and create, and this will pop up. So this will pop up. It will take time. It will pop up. You just need to do a rename here and just create. So this tool will save here as a tool set. Okay, and whatever setting you like, if I open this one, whatever you change in the slider, this will also save. So make a default value and then save. And you guys can see here, I have many tools here which I save many things. So
Sohail is asking which software you are using to zoom your cursor for your tutorials.
zoom in, you're talking about this, I think,
F2.
right? Yeah. So this is, you can find in Microsoft Store. This is the tool. This, so it's a paid tool. So I had downloaded from Microsoft Store. It's very cheap, I guess. 400 rupees, I think. It's very good.
Hmm.
Hey Somya, Noman, Somya is here. How are you? Yeah. It was incredible, insightful session. Thank you for that. So this is let me just make a big camera. Yeah. So this is what we do, and this is what I like to do. So I just share stuff with Noman and we always do stuff like this in Grenade Imagery and in VFX Showdown. So thank you for that thing. Yeah. Oh, your name is good. Science. Yeah, I like that name.
Science student.
Yeah. So this is I just thought let's do the live stream because many people have many questions when I make a tutorial about something, and they came to my server and they are asking personally. So I thought let's do a live stream while they can ask me question and I can demonstrate or answer them. And I don't want to do it alone. Okay. If I do alone now, so only one perspective they can see. Okay, I want another perspective, another thoughts, another person to give his advice also. That's why I asked Noman to join me on my live stream.
Yes.
That's the only reason. Maybe one more person will come. Let's see. Yep.
I'm very good.
Yeah. So yeah. So guys, I think the Nuke stuff is okay. It's done for now. We did the Despill, and Noman also shared some Despill method. Noman, can you explain in a very basic way what is your Despill process? Can you explain?
Same thing like I use this now. AP Despill for like soft edges and hair, and I will use that extruder node for hard
Mm.
edges.
If you don't have a APD spill in a studio, what you will do?
Like we can use like any node, like ucorrect or any gizmo like Despill to color or Despill madness. There are so many Despill nodes are there,
Yeah,
so
I
we
saw
can.
Despill Madness is very common in the studio.
Yes, yes.
It's very powerful. It's very popular, I guess. It's very. If I don't have any gizmos, na, I will definitely use ucorrect
Ucorrect, yeah, ucorrect is
all the
great.
time. All
I
the time.
mostly I like use ucorrect for core.
Yeah, because in the ucorrect, na, let me quickly share my screen. So why I'm saying ucorrect, na, I will show you. Sorry, guys. Yeah. In the ucorrect, we have this graph, and it's very powerful graph. Like selecting here, and I can use the dot, but he is telling me to add a dot here. I can do like this, right? And I can change the fall off. So this is the fall off of this color till here. So this is the biggest advantage in my opinion. You can change the fall off, and you can see in this part, right? So like this, you can change the fall off, and you can do a precise Despill just for this header, not for everywhere. Okay, that's why. And after, like, if you are doing this and you still see the color, you can go to the saturation and you can add point and you can down, but it's already done, that's why it's not doing. But sometimes it's do like this, and you can just remove some extra. There are many options here. So ucorrect is the first, and the second I will use keylight if I don't have any gizmos in my Nuke. If any studio don't have, I will use those, and it will work nicely. I don't know Norman where he went, but he will back, I
I'm
guess.
here only.
Your mic, your this thing not showing camera.
No, I turned off.
Okay, cool, no issue. So I think this is enough for now, right, Norman? Guys, I think we are good now, so we can end the stream, I guess. How to get the job for freshers? Please make a video, bro. Okay, see, for freshers, I don't know if you aware of the situation. So now the industry is getting picked up now. So you guys need to wait. While you are waiting to get a job as a fresher, make a good showreel. There are many resources, and I also share many resources in my channel also. Check that, use those resources and make a good showreel. Keep yourself ready. That's the only thing I can say as of now. There are many opportunities, and make sure you active on a LinkedIn basically, and follow the studio, follow the HRs, and see they are posting job opportunities. How is your experience at the Compositing in Ireland? Very good, very good. Okay, so I think we can wrap up, guys. So Noman, you want to say anything?
Not for now. We will do in like next session for BG.
Yeah, keep the BG ready, and we will discuss the creative process in the background.
Yes.
Because in the FG there is not much need. There is no need to do right now, because it's we need to just do the keying properly. That's it. When we are adding a background, that time we will also focus on the FG plate. What changes we need to do in the FG side in order to blend with the background. All right, cool. Okay, guys. So thank you. I think it's time to go, and I will put the end slider, and music will on, and after 1 or 2 minutes I will turn off the stream. So thank you so much for coming and watching this stream, and asking your questions and everything. Again, as I said, we will see you in a very next stream. I'm not saying video, in very next stream. So thank you for watching, and take care, and good night.
Thank
Bye.
you guys. Bye
Yeah,
bye guys.
thank
Good
you.
night.
Yeah, bye.